Welcome to the AARDY.com YouTube channel for travel tips. I'm Jonathan Breeze, the CEO, and this is a short video to go along with our blog article, Wave Season Travel Insurance. Well, Wave Season Travel Insurance is a great way to protect the investment you made in your winter cruise. But before you buy travel insurance from the cruise line, know that they charge between 8 and 12% of the cruise cost for their insurance policies. Typically, travel insurance costs 6% of the trip cost. Fortunately, marketplace policies can offer you more medical insurance and medical evacuation coverage than the cruise line policies. You will get more for your money if you compare the market. So once you lock in your deposit with the cruise line, start comparing the travel insurance policies available to you. Well, each cruise line offers its version of cruise insurance. Usually it's a take it or leave it option or a choice between poor and slightly less poor coverage. You get the best coverage when you have multiple options. So our recommendations: here's what you should look for in a good wave season travel insurance policy. At least $100,000 in medical insurance coverage, at least $250,000 in emergency medical evacuation, a pre-existing medical condition exclusion waiver, and good value for money. So time-sensitive benefits like pre-existing condition coverage and cancel for any reason become available when you buy the policy shortly after paying the initial trip deposit, normally within 10 to 21 days depending on the plan you purchase. If you wait longer, you may not be eligible for the pre-existing condition coverage waiver. When it comes to medical insurance, almost every cruise line insurance gives you as little as $10,000 in medical insurance on their plans. If you have a serious accident or illness during the trip, $10,000 just isn't enough to cover your medical bills. That's why we recommend a minimum of $100,000. The cruise line's low coverage would leave you paying for all other treatment out of pocket. Well, at AARDY.com, we can't recommend travel insurance enough. Whether you're traveling just a few hundred miles to see family, traveling on a business trip, or traveling to the other side of the world, travel insurance should be considered an essential part of your holiday packing. Now, the hope is that you won't have to use your travel insurance and that you'll have a fun and enjoyable trip. It'll take you no more than 2 minutes to run a quote, and you'll be able to compare the products, the plans, the prices, and the all-important coverage levels so that you can make the right buying decision for your trip. We recommend that you should travel with at least $100,000 of medical sickness cover. We also recommend that you should have at least $100,000 of medical evacuation cover as well. And on the screen in front of you, you'll see just how quick and easy it is to run a quote with AARDY.com. Well, wherever you're going, whatever you're doing, do keep safe and remember to travel with travel insurance, and do come back and see us again soon. Take care.